Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I came across this deal when I was up with my 1-year-old during the night. I was scrolling through my phone. I saw some people posting about some Kohls codes were stacking. So I was looking at the Kohls app and I came across these clearance drones. They are Sky Viper drones. Obviously, I don't know a whole lot about drones, but I did watch a little unboxing of one and a review of one on YouTube, and they gave it a really good review. So I bought these for a Christmas gift. I'm so excited. This price that I paid for them was amazing. I'm extremely happy with this. So I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. I don't know if any of you guys were looking into maybe getting drones for your teenage boys, your husbands, your dads, brothers, whatever. We definitely purchased 3 of these for some people in our family and a friend of ours. So we cannot wait to give these gifts for Christmas. So I did want to go ahead and just share this with you guys in case you're interested. So the next couple pictures here are of the 3 drones that I found that were on clearance. I don't know how long they're going to be in stock because it seems like it's a really good price. Almost too good to be true. So go ahead and check these couple drones out and see if this may be something you're interested in. But I definitely just wanted to share these clearance drones with you guys. It's a great price, especially if it's something that you're looking for a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, I guess. Whatever comes first, right? Okay, just so we're clear before we get started on these codes do not work on the drones. So this is just like a separate deal for other items that you may want. The drones you cannot pick them up in store. You have to pay for the shipping. It was $8 for one of them. And it didn't matter how many I put in my cart, the shipping was still $8, at least for me anyway. So just so you know, you cannot use these codes on the drones, but you can earn Kohls cash. I think it's $10 for every $50 that you spend. So that's a great additional savings there if you want to consider it savings. So let's go ahead and get started on these codes. So we have a $20 off of $100. You use the code bonus20. And then we also have 20% off codes. We have a 20% off friends and family sale. That's just a normal code that you can use on pretty much anything. And then there's an additional stacking code that works on bedding and bath and home decor. So if you need any of that stuff, you can go ahead and apply both of the 20% offers. And if you're spending a whole bunch of money, you can use that $20 off $100. But I'm pretty sure how it works at Kohls is that you have to use the % off coupons before you can use your $20 off of $100. So your total price is going to need to be probably like $140, maybe $150 when you use both of your 20% offs and then the $20 off $100. Now, I'm not telling you this that way you go and spend $80 on some stuff you really didn't need if it's something that you needed. So I did not use the $20 off $100. However, I did use the 2 20% off coupons. There is, I think it's Croft and Borrow. It's a super soft sheet set. I should have put the picture in here, but they're on sale. They're $50. They're on sale for $25 with the 2 20% off codes. And then I chose that I will go to the store and pick it up and I'll get a $5 Kohls cash. It ended up being like $11 for a set of sheets. So something that we needed, something I was going to hold out until Black Friday to get, but I went ahead and snagged them for this. So I did want to just go ahead and share these codes and these drone clearance deals in case you were interested. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.